In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Power Rangers game app. By updating your Power Rangers game app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this game app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to update this app, you need to go ahead and search for the app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll go to Google Play Store, then just search for Power Rangers, just like this. And then here you can see my app is here. If I tap on it, you can see we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Power Rangers Legacy War app. To update, just tap on update and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Power Rangers app and then install it on your smartphone. Once this has been updated, now you'll have the latest version of Power Rangers app. You can go ahead and tap on it to start playing your games from this app. By updating your app, you'll also have fixed any issues that might be related to your Power Rangers game app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.